Indians are about to make history. The world will be watching. You can make an impact in your community by organizing a Yoga Sangam event in your area.
Don't just witness history. Become a part of it. Be proud to help create it.
Register the proposal of your organization to organize a Yoga Sangam event on the Yoga Sangam portal. Here's how.
There are 2 ways to register. Choose whichever suits you.
First, you can go to the Yoga portal.
Then click on Yoga Sangam. This will take you to the registration page. Take a moment to read through it carefully.
You'll find answers to many of your questions right there. Now, go ahead and start filling in the details. It's simple.
Just a few minutes and you're done.
Second, the easier way is just type the URL for Yoga Sangam registration. It will take you directly to this page. The rest, we have already explained. Now submit your proposal and wait for our response.
Don't just sit back and watch history happen. Step up and create it.